We will be sorting our pieces by the different A sounds. Short A makes the A sound, like in the word cat. The long A sound says its name, like in cake. You can hear it say A. You will also have an oddball category for words that do not have the short A sound or the long A sound. Before we can sort them, let's look and see what our pieces are. We have rake, jack, skate, grass, game, grapes, man, frame, snake, bat, bag, foot, map, plate, hat, crab, and rain. Grape, I can hear the A sound, so it goes in the long A group. Map, I hear the A sound. It goes in the short A sound. Rake, I hear the A, ache, so it goes in the long A group. Jack has the short A sound, ack, so it goes in the short A. Plate, I hear the long A, so it goes in that group. Hat, I hear the that's the short sound. Rain, I hear the A say its name, so that's the long A. Man, I hear the short A. Foot, foot, I do not hear the short A or the long A. That means it is an oddball. Grass, I hear the sound, so that's the short sound. Bat has the sound, so again, that's the short A. Game, I can hear the A say its name, so it goes in the long A. Frame has the A sound, so again, that's the long A. Bag has the short A. Snake has the A, so it's going to go in the long A. Crab, I hear the short A, so it's going to go in that group. Last is skate. I hear the A, that means it's the long sound. So in our short A group, you should have map, jack, hat, man, grass, bat, bag, crab. In the long A sound, you should have grape, rake, rain, plate, game, frame, skate, snake. And then the oddball that doesn't have either of those sounds is foot.